With at-home learning from my university, I decided to build a new desk setup where I could just focus on being productive with schoolwork. This desk setup is honestly very simple and easy to replicate, which I hope can give you a few ideas of how to design your own desk setup space. I believe that having a clean area to work really clears your mind of distractions and helps you achieve more in less time. With the space designed on a budget and with students in mind, I hope that you can find some type of inspiration from this setup. First, the desk itself is from IKEA with the Linneman tabletop and the Adil's legs, coming in at a total of only $25. This desk isn't something that's going to be for your triple monitor gaming PC setup, but it's perfect for somebody looking to get a cheap desk that looks nice. I personally really like this desk since it's really lightweight and easy to move, which is great for me since I do like to move it around a lot to film YouTube videos. If you want a bigger desk but want to stay on a budget, I recommend looking at the larger sizes of the Linneman, like the 47 or the 59-inch ones that are still under $50. The main computer that I'm using on my desk is the HP Spectre X360 from 2017 that's been a great laptop for my schoolwork throughout the years at college. It has an i7 processor and 8 gigs of RAM, which helps with using multiple tabs at once or the occasional Photoshop or Premiere Pro edit. The laptop itself is sitting on a Boyata adjustable laptop riser, which costs $30 after a $10 discount on Amazon. I used to have a really cheap $5 laptop stand that I got from AliExpress a few years ago, but compared to this Boyata one, there's really no competition. This laptop stand has slide-proof silicone that makes sure that your laptop doesn't slide around, and also has protective hooks at the bottom to hold your laptop. This stand could hold up to a 17-inch laptop, which I'm sure is fine for everybody besides those who are using gaming laptops. The stand is also adjustable, which I found to be really sturdy, since it takes some force to really move the stand to the position you want it to be. Whether you want to use your laptop while sitting or standing, this laptop stand from Boyata is a great option, which also makes sure your laptop is well ventilated. Under the Boyata laptop stand, I keep a small soundbar for my computer from Sockobes, which doesn't take up much room and has enough power for what I need. I don't use this for listening to music, instead I actually use it for lectures or just watching YouTube or Netflix videos, and this small speaker actually just works great. One of the main reasons I wanted to pick this up was because of the size, since it could fit under my laptop in this case, or if I was using it at my main desk, I could keep it under my monitor. If you're looking for a speaker to also use as a Bluetooth speaker, this one from Sockobes has great sound for music and a great battery life for up to 18 hours of playtime. I decided to just use a wireless mouse on my desk rather than using a wireless keyboard and a wireless mouse. This helps to keep the clutter at a minimum, and for typing I usually just use my iPad anyways, which I'll get into soon. The mouse that I use on my laptop is a TechNet Bluetooth wireless mouse, which is definitely smaller than a full-size mouse. It's surprisingly really comfortable to use with its small size for only $15. Back when my university was in person, I used to bring this mouse to the library or other study areas to have a more comfortable experience when using my laptop. Everything on my desk is sitting on top of the Althea desk pad in the brown color. For only $14, this desk pad offers protection for your desk, a waterproof and easy to clean surface, a mouse pad, and most importantly, it adds a pop of color to an all-white setup. Most desk pads do the same thing, to be honest, so might as well go for the Althea one at only around $14 that comes with a lot of colorways. Adding a pop of color, even if it's brown or black, still helps to make your desk setup look less bland and boring. A desk pad may be really simple, but if I had one accessory to recommend to anyone for their desk setup, I would say to pick up a desk pad. A relatively new addition to my desk setup is my iPad 7th generation Logitech Slim Folio keyboard case and a $25 Apple Pencil alternative. I actually did a video on all these products separately, so I'll link them down below in case you guys are interested. Whenever I'm on my lectures on Zoom, I always have my iPad opened up with GoodNotes where I take notes. After lectures, whenever I have any assignments due that I have to type, I usually use the keyboard on the Slim Folio case and type up anything that I have to work on. The reason why I've been using my iPad a lot more for writing and typing up my notes is because I can take my work anywhere I want since the iPad's so lightweight and portable. As for lighting, I actually decided not to get a desk lamp, but instead I chose the floor lamp that I had near the desk with the Alexa enabled RGB bulbs. I usually keep my bulbs on the candlelight color, which I turn on with my Google Home app, or my Google Home that gives a nice warm light for when I'm working at night. If you haven't tried out RGB bulbs with Google Home or Alexa support, I highly recommend that you check them out since a lot of them only come in at around $20 for 2 bulbs. Finally, I added in 2 frames for my sit-down YouTube videos, but also to add a little bit more interest to my setup when I'm working there. I picked up these 2 riba frames from IKEA for only $15 each that actually have a really nice modern look to them for a low price. I found 2 prints that added some color and represented some of the interests I have. A tip that I have for you guys is to make sure that you add something that represents you, rather than keeping it so minimal that it's literally just a computer and nothing else. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys did enjoy this one, be sure to go down below and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.